What's up? I'm back with another video, and it's the same day as the last video I did, but I just changed my shirt so it looks like a new day. But I'm back. My nails are still fucked up, but don't pay attention to those because I got some really dope ass shoes to show you today, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for these shoes because I've been thinking about these shoes since I saw them, and the opportunity came along for me to get them, so I got them. And I'll just hop right into it. I'm going to unbox them with you guys and kind of talk about my first impressions on them and like how I plan to wear them, because I mean, not everybody, these shoes aren't made for just anybody. I feel like they're for that extra ass person that really, I mean, I splurge on shoes. As you can tell, I splurge on shoes. Like, I will wear a $12 outfit from head to toe, but my shoes are gonna be fucking fire because that's just me. Everyone expects outrageous things from me, so these are like not a surprise to anybody that really knows me. So yeah, I got these on Wedges. I don't think they're still in stock, but I'll link them down below, and I'll just link the original shoe down below to where you can get them, or you can just look at them online. But I did get them on farfetch.com, which is another designer reseller site, kind of like Net-a-Porter and Tradesy and all those other sites. But story time, I actually was just browsing Black Friday, just, you know, like whatever, what can I buy, who has good sales. So I go to Farfetch, I'm scrolling. I was actually looking for this brand of boots, like the Prada boots, but they didn't have my size left, and I wasn't about to buy something I didn't really want. But I kept scrolling, y'all, and I saw these shoes, and they were like $600 cheaper than the regular price, and I was like, if this is not God telling me to get these shoes, I don't know what is. So let me just get on with it. I had some wrap snacks before I turned the camera on, so they're like stuck in my teeth, so if you see them, like, ignore it. So they did ship from Browns. That's what this bag is from. Browns, it's like, I think it's a UK department store, or like a British Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus, pretty much. That's what Browns is. So it did come from there. Now this is the box. Prada or Nada Honey. That is the box that it came in. You can already tell by the title and the picture, the thumbnail, what these shoes are, but I'm just gonna like open them as if they're a surprise. So I actually opened these already, of course, when they first came, because I mean, why not? So it's like a fake unboxing. I'm re-unboxing it with you guys, but it don't matter. So it comes with the receipts in like these little baggies. It came wrapped in tissue, Prada tissue. Now, before I open this, is your wig secure? Make sure your wigs is secure, because I can't clamp them wigs down, because these shoes are fire, literally. So they come in this tissue. I already took like the styrofoam off of them because I had to try them on. So bam, bam, bam. These shoes are fucking fire. Fire. These are the Prada Flame Wedges in the neon pink color, because, I mean, why not get them in neon pink? Hello. So they look like this. I mean, it is winter in Maryland right now, but I mean, I will sacrifice my toes being cold to wear these out, because I don't give a fuck. I'm not waiting until the summer to wear these. And you can also wear them with like socks or stockings. Like, I mean, I don't care. I'll find a way. So they have the flames coming out the back and off the straps. the logos inside. I mean, when people see the flames, they're gonna already know what it is. There are no dupes of these shoes, like the one and only. The leather bagging, I tried these on and walked around in them, and they are so comfortable. I mean, they're also a wedge, and wedges are comfortable anyway, as we all know. So these are not hard to walk in at all. I can't wait to wear these. I bought a lot of neon pink just to have, you know, have something to wear with these. I think they'll look good dressed up, dressed down. The outfit I have in mind for them, I have like this neon pink like half zip like bodysuit thing, and like some black sweatpants or something with these will be so fire. Or like a pair of like boyfriend jeans kind of rolled up at the bottom with these, and like a plain top or like a bodysuit would be fire also. But I mean, we can get some outfits for these, don't worry about that. But I am in love with these. I can't wait to wear them. If you know me, you see me out and you keep seeing me wear these, I don't give a fuck, because these are fire. So, price. The original price for these are like, I lie to you not, $1,100. And I was gonna save up for them and try to get them by like the spring or summer, but as fate would have it, on Black Friday, I got these for only $550. That's almost like $600 off the original price, which is crazy to me. Again, I got them on Farfetch. These are an 8.5. I wear a size 7.5 in like American sizes, but these are Italian, and in Italian sizes, they run really, really small, like really, really small. I had to go a whole size up, not a half size up, a whole size up. So if you wear a 7.5, if you buy Italian shoes, you want to get like an 8.5. I have wide feet as well, so I contemplated getting a 9, but I didn't want them to look huge on me. But I got 8.5, and they fit perfectly. I'll try to link them down below. I think they have some left in other colors, but I think the pink ones are sold out, because I bet everyone saw that sale and they were like, what the fuck, let me order these now, kind of like I did. So yeah, if you are thinking about buying these, let me know what color you want. I kind of like the all white ones with the green flames, but I don't see myself wearing those as much as I see myself wearing these, because these are like, this is Bianca in a shoe. Like, I can't. I actually posted on my stories like a couple months ago that these were my dream shoes, and dreams come true, ladies, dreams come true. So that is my unboxing on the Prada Flame Wedges. I'll link everything down below, and if you have any questions about them, any comments about them, comment down below and I'll respond to you, or hit me up on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.